What's up, y'all? Thank you for the view. Today I'm going to show you how to fix and troubleshoot a dryer that runs with the door open. The model we are going to be working on today is a Whirlpool LER4634PQ0. This dryer is about 20 years old, close to it, and I've got a hunch that this door switch right here is bad. When I go to click it, it's just kind of dangling, so I am about 99% sure that we have to replace this door switch. I've got the OEM replacement door switch part. Part number is 3406105. This will work with many of the older Whirlpool dryers and Maytag dryers. First thing we need to do is kill the power. You can either do that at the breaker box, or if you've got good access to the cord, just unplug it. Once we got it unplugged, let's turn it around so we can see what we're doing, because we got to access this door switch from the back to take off the panel. It's going to be two 5/16 screws that we need to remove right here and right here. Once you have those screws removed, you're going to want to pry this up. These clips clip in when they're down, so just get a flathead screwdriver, pry up on that side, and just pry up on the other side. Going to turn this around so you can kind of see how it's clipped in. These clips right here. So just like that. One thing I messed up on, got to remove the lint filter. Should probably clean that too. Maybe a fire hazard. Doesn't look like it's helping my 20-year-old dryer run energy efficient either. Set that down over there. Also remove the lint filter trap held in by two Phillips head screws. From here, you have access to the unit itself. And our door switch is right here. Here's the actual door switch right here. It's held in by two screws. It is a quick disconnect. The door switch is held in with two Phillips head screws. Go ahead and unscrew those. Once you got that loose, you can go ahead and get some pliers and just kind of squeeze this down right here that holds the wire in. From here, you can easily disconnect it with the quick disconnect. Easy my ass. The switch is so old that I actually got to pry this up to get the locking mechanism off the disconnect, like so. Grab your new switch. Comes with the wire thing, OEM, gotta love it. Connect it in till you hear it snap. Place that under like so. Actually, let's get this lined up in the hole before we worry about that. Or we can just do it now, doesn't really matter. Got the door switch nice and tight. Got some nice click action going on. Let's just put everything back together. Now it's time to see if our little repair worked. Let's see if this dryer still runs when the door opens. Oh my God, it worked. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment. Let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if you run into any other issues with dryers running with the door still open. Would love to see them in the comments. Until then, y'all, see you next time.